Okay, today we're gonna explain about how to share Google Docs and why Google Docs is good for discussion purpose. So this is a sample of Google Docs. It's exactly like Microsoft Word, and you have the way to add comments, and you can reply. And when the question has been resolved, click the resolve button, so the comments will disappear. Why Google Docs instead of Microsoft Word is for discussional documents. It's good to use Google Docs because they are instant update. So 2, even 3, or the whole team can instantaneously type together, and there will be an instant update. So the comment history is here, and there's a share. So now we're going to explain how to share. So you just click share button. And for example, if you want to upload to Trello or share to the group, so you just copy this link and make sure if you want to let them to edit, click anyone with the link can edit. If you don't want them to edit anything but only view or comment, anyone with the link can comment. And the third one, no comment, no view, no comment, no edit, only view. Okay, so this is the 3 things. Or if you want to control who can access, you click or you type their names, or email. So only that particular person with that email can access to this document. So for example, for our Trello and video discussion purpose, you can choose to have comment. As you are the principal of that document, so the other person can only comment, so they will not mess with the content you created. Or if you want them to contribute together with you, you can put can edit. Okay, secondly, we will now explain how to share a similar content, which is OneDrive or Google Drive, with the similar method. So for example, this is our YouTube video shooting. In order to enable to the group mate or the board member to access, you can click share. The easiest way is to click share here, and then from here you will get a shareable link. You have the option, the similar option with Google Docs. Allow editing. You can even set an expiry date and a password. So now we're gonna use this option. Anyone with the link can edit. So you just copy the link, copy it, and then you can paste in the Trello description or anywhere. Or if you will share it to a client or someone to review, make sure change to without editing. If you fail to use this method, you can also view online and then use a similar way to create a shareable link for OneDrive. The same ways goes for Google Docs as well, Google Drive as well. Thank you.